Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Kharia, the science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today we start new chapter 9 soil. Concept in modules. First one introduction to soil and soil natural resources, soil profile, type of soil, soil and crop, property of soil, soil erosion, preparing of soil for the poetry and recap. So dear student, today we start introduction to soil and soil nature natural resources. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It is the uppermost layer of earth crust which is the blackish brown in color. Major function of the soil are: first one, it is a support plant growth by the holding the roots family and the supplying water and nutrients to the plants. So dear students, first one is the supports plants growth by holding the roots family and the supplying the water and nutrients to the plants. Second one, it it acts as a natural habitat for the many organisms like an earthworm, fungi, bacteria, ants, etc. So dear students, it acts as a natural habitat for the many organisms like an earthworm, fungi, bacteria, insect, etc. It is also initial for the agriculture, which is the provide us with the food, clothing and shelter for all. It is also initial for agriculture, which provide us with the food, clothing and shelter for all. So fourth one, it is a supplies water and nutrients to plants. Therefore, we can say that soil is an inversely part of our life. Therefore, we can say that soil is an the inseparable part of our life. Soil and life. Soil is the habitat for many living organisms such as insects, fungi, animals, protozoans, worm, bacteria, and then etc. Soil teeming with life. Soil teeming with life. Soil contains air, water, and countless living organisms like fungi, bacteria, insects, earthworm, rodent, the moles, and the plants root. Some organisms are too small that they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Soil contains air, water, and countless living organisms like fungi, bacteria, insects, earthworm, rodents, mollusks, and plants' roots. Some organisms are too small that they cannot be seen by naked eye. Can not be seen by naked eye. Example: fungi and bacteria. An important soil organism is in the earthworm. It is visible only in the rainy season. The important soil organism is in the earthworm. It is the visible only in the rainy season. It is the visible only in the rainy season. It increase the fertility of soil. It increase the fertility of soil and analysis of the different soil. So dear student, it the increase the fertility of soil in analysis of the different soil. Collect the some soil sample from the different places. Are the soil sample collected from the different places similar? The places of garden, crop field, and roadside crop, roadside soil, collect the different sample of soil. So collect the some soil samples from the different place. Are the soil samples collect from the different places similar? So find the difference in the term of the plant, animal, color of any other observation. Therefore, we see that the different soil from the different sites have the various plants, animals and the wastage material in them. Therefore, we see that the different soils from the different site have various plants, animals and wastage material in them. Soil pollution. Like we start soil pollution. Soil pollution, did you find the plastic pieces and the polythene bags also in the soil sample? Did you find the plastic pieces and the polythene bag also in the soil samples? Polythene bags and the plastic pollute the soil and kill the microorganisms that live in the soil. Polythene bags and the plastics pollute soil and kill the microorganisms that live in the soil. Sometimes people throw the polythene bags and the plastic articles in the soil. They pollute the soil and also kill the useful organisms living in the soil. Sometimes people throw the polythene bags and plastic articles in the soil. They pollute the soil and also kill the useful organisms living in the soil. Some other substances like chemicals and pesticides also pollute the soil. Some other substance like the chemical and the pesticide use of the mostly is a cropping, so all fertility, increasing the fertility, so use of the pesticides also pollute the soil. Cases of soil pollution: toxic pesticides spread all over the lawn and the farm. Industries empty their sludge and the pollutions into the air, soil and water. Industries empty their the slugs and the pollutants into the air, soil and water. To prevent the soil pollution, the use of polythene bags must be banned and the wastage product and the chemical must be treated before they are released into the soil. So dear student, to prevent the soil pollution, the use of the polythene bags must be banned and the wastage product and the chemical must be treated before they are released into the soil. The use of pesticides in the agriculture field must also be minimized in order to prevent soil pollution. The use of pesticides in the agricultural field must also be minimized in order to prevent soil pollution. To prevent soil pollution. So atomic, toxic and hazardous the wastes are also released into the atmosphere, polluting in the soil as well. So dear students, today topic is complete and tomorrow will be next topic. And dear students, your send off your today's homework, the PDF. So dear students, complete your homework and send me. Thank you.